Namaste. Welcome to biology class. In the chapter Human Health and Diseases, today we will be learning about the topic drug and alcohol abuse. Now what do you mean by a drug? The word drug has been derived from dodge, which means dry herb. Now coming to the definition of the drug is any substance that is used for or used to intend or modify or explore the physiological system and pathological states for the benefit of recipients. Normally, all the medicines which we take are drugs because they help us in changing the physiological activities if we are unwell and also help us in fighting against the pathogens. Then, what do you mean by drug abuse? So, drug abuse is nothing but when drugs are taken for the purpose other than their normal clinical use. Yes, other than normal clinical use if we are taking the drugs, and that too in higher concentration and in higher frequency. Yes, this actually causes some problems with our physical, physiological and psychological functions. Then only it is called as drug abuse. Yes, okay. When we go to a doctor, we follow the instructions advised by doctor. So 3 times a day, yes, we follow it 3 times a day. This much mg of medicine has to be taken. We go to the medical shop and buy that particular mg of that particular drug or the medicine itself. Yes, so we follow the concentration and also the frequency, and it is mainly advised for our clinical purposes. That is called as a medicine. But the same thing, if you are using other than medical purpose and also in increased concentration and increased frequency, means more number of times you feel like taking it. Yes, so then it comes under drug abuse, right? So this is about the drug abuse. In this chapter, we will be coming across few terms which we will be learning them now. Sedative. Yes, so a drug is said to be sedative when that reduces excitement, anxiety, lowers physiological functions, relaxes the body, and sometimes the sedative drugs are the ones which induce sleep. Such type of drugs are called as hypnotic drugs. Yes, so usually when we go to the doctor, then he asks us to take the dinner a bit early and take the sedative drug if we are unwell. Yes, so such type of sedative drugs, they cause more amount of sleep, they induce sleep. Yes, so that is why these drugs are also called as the hypnotic drugs. Yes, right. The next one is stimulants. Stimulants are nothing but they stimulate the central nervous system. They cause excitement. Yes, when all our nerves are stimulated, then we feel so excited. We really feel so alert. Yes, okay. So what do you mean by stimulant? They stimulate central nervous system, make the person alert and active, and they also cause excitement. Now the opposite of this is nothing but tranquilizers. Tranquilizers, they actually decrease the excitement. Yes, so they are opposite to the stimulants. So this is about the terminology which we often come across in this particular topic, that is drug and alcohol abuse. Other than this, we will be learning about the different types of drugs like opioids, cannabinoids, alkaloids, LSD and so on. Hope you have understood this introductory concept. Thank you.